What's up guys and welcome to a new video. Do you really need a gym to build your dream body? Actually not. In my opinion, it is definitely possible to build your dream body from your home. And in today's video we'll give you 5 different advices and tools that you can use in order to reach this goal. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. So number 1 guys are resistant bands. Resistant bands are in my opinion the best tool that you can have in order to build muscles from home. They are so versatile and you can use them for so many exercises. For example guys, you might already know that it can be really hard to train your biceps without weights. But not if you have a set of resistant bands. You can also use them to make push-ups or squats harder and therefore set a new incentives for your muscles to grow. So guys, in the description below of this video I will link the set of resistant bands that I am currently using so you can check them out. Let's continue with the next advice guys. Increase the intensity and frequency of your workouts. As it can be harder to set new incentives for your muscles to grow when you don't use any weights, you need to increase the frequency and intensity of your workouts. So my recommendation and what I'm actually doing is doing a workout 5 days a week for about 30 to 40 minutes. With only short breaks during your workout. To set the intensity level high and also to provide new incentives for your muscles to grow. Let's continue with number 3 guys. Your diet needs to be on point. If you want to gain muscles, you need to focus on your diet and eat enough calories. Trust me guys, it is so important to provide enough nutrients so your body can build new muscles. The most efficient way would be to track your calories with an app so you can really ensure that you eat enough per day. There are also tons of calculators online that you can use in order to calculate the amount of calories you need to eat on a daily basis. Let's continue with the next one guys, which is one of the most important advices. Have enough sleep. Your body needs regeneration to build muscles. That's why it is so important to have enough sleep. So guys, at least 8 hours per day to support your body to grow new muscles. Also guys, make sure that you improve your sleep quality by, for example, not using your smartphone before you go to bed. And also guys, make sure that you don't eat something at least 2 hours before you go to bed. What I can personally recommend and what I personally use is CBD oil. It really helped my body to regenerate faster and also improve my sleep quality. So guys, definitely give it a try. And the last one guys, drink enough water. You really need to understand that the main percentage of your body and muscles are made out of water. That's why it is so important to supply enough if you want to build new muscles. So guys, my recommendation would be to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water per day. Trust me guys, it will make a huge difference. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are my 5 advices that you can use in order to build your dream body from the comfort of your home. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.